Namaste friends. Today we are going to make a very new product that has not been tried by anybody till now. It is 100% natural probiotic dishwash powder. It is made out of very easily available natural ingredients like the soap nuts, limes, rock salt and water. And it is just fantastic to use. It has a beautiful fragrance, has a very long shelf life, even up to 2 to 3 years. Very safe on our skin as all the ingredients used are completely natural. And it is especially very effective to clean our puja items like the copper, silver, brass items. I just love this product. I can say this is the best product we have ever made till now. So the ingredients required to make this probiotic dishwash powder are de-seeded soap nuts around the capacity of 1000 ml container. Then we need lime juice 250 ml. Then 30% of sea salt, 2 liters of water, and the lime peels that we have got after extracting the lime juice. Just chop the peels into small pieces and keep them ready. We can even add the essential oils like the citrus essential oil for additional fragrance. And the de-seeded soap nut shells that you see here were already soaked overnight for around 15 hours in water. Let us see the procedure now. Take a plastic container and add all our listed ingredients like the rock salt, then the soaked de-seeded soap nuts, then the lime juice, water, and finally the peels that we have kept ready. After adding all the ingredients, just close the lid and allow the contents to ferment for 15 days. Keep regularly shaking the container once in a while because all the lime peels will be pushed upward to the top due to the gases being released inside. After the 15 days of fermentation, filter the liquid and collect it in a bottle with a narrow opening. Then just dry the leftover soap nut and lime peels under the sun and grind them into powder once they are completely dry. Citrus essential oil can be added at this point while grinding. All kinds of materials will sparkle absolutely clean by washing with this probiotic dishwash powder. Even the burnt and charred vessels are also cleaned so effectively. This amazing probiotic dishwash powder does create very good foam while washing, but when it is combined with the filtered liquid as well, it gives additional strong effect, producing more lather and more shine to the vessels. I am very happy to share with you all the formula for this amazing probiotic dishwash powder, which I have come up with after years of experimentation and research, just with the only intention that we can all together make these kind of natural products and make this planet a better place to live for ourselves and for the future generations. Thank you all so much.